Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to give you a brief introduction to soil mechanics as a part of geotechnical engineering. So let's begin. First of all, soil mechanics means the application of laws of mechanics and hydraulics to solve the engineering problems of the soil. Now, soil is basically heterogeneous in nature, which means that the soil is not evenly distributed all over the volume. So this makes the analysis of the soil more complex. Now, the soil is also anisotropic in nature. It is non-conservative. It is non-linear also in nature. Now these are the basic characteristics of the soil. Now this analysis of the soil and knowing about the soil is very important, and different layers of the soil has to be analyzed below the earth surface before designing any kind of structure on the ground. Now there was a case, you must have heard of this Leaning Tower of Pisa. Basically this is based in Italy. Now this tower after construction basically tilted up to a certain angle because the soil beneath the earth surface was not analyzed. There was a clayey soil layer present below the surface of the earth, and it was not analyzed, and the tower basically tilted. The clay soil is basically considered as a very destructive kind of soil in structural engineering. Now moving further, the soil is basically divided into two categories. Now first let us understand how soil is basically formed. Soil is basically formed by the weathering of rocks. Weathering can be a mechanical kind of a weathering or a chemical kind of a weathering. Now in this basis there are various kinds of categories of the soil divided. One is the residual soil, one is the transported soil. Residual soil means the soil which is collected at the location where the rock was broken down into pieces. Now the other kind of soil is basically the transported soil, which is basically the weathered soil. Is basically weathered rock is basically transported through various kinds of mediums like air, wind, or other glaciers. So these are the different kinds of mediums by which the soil gets transported. Now the soil is basically divided into two categories on the basis of size. One is the fine grained soil, and another one is the coarse grained soil. Fine grained soils are basically the soil which are less than 0.07 mm in size, and these are basically silts and clays. And the coarse grained soils are the soil which are greater than 0.075 mm in size. These are gravels and sands. Now there are other categories also, well graded, and on the basis of different kinds of gradation the soil is divided. So this is all about a brief introduction towards soil mechanics. So thank you everyone for watching.